Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Hasham. Now I'm starting the next problem on computation of income from salary, that is problem number 7. Already 6 problems I have explained in detail, each and every problem. So in almost every problem we come across new points. So you have to focus, you have to remember the provisions. Without remembering the provisions, you cannot solve any problem on income tax. Complete problems are based on the theory provisions. So always I suggest you to keep a notebook when you watch this video, and immediately you should note down the points what I am explaining, giving the lecture. That is more important. Simply if you watch, if you listen the lecture, you will not be able to remember it for a long. So always follow my instructions and keep a rhythm of watching all the videos. If you join in between, you will not be able to understand. And before starting the 7th problem, I expect my viewers to have a printout of the problems which are given in the link under my description. And take a screenshot of the 7th problem, then I'll explain. Come on, see the 7th problem. Mr. Indra Shekhar is working in Rajesh Exports Limited. His salary income particulars are as under compute income from salary. First of all, this is a non-government employee. Now, basic pay. See the format, computation of income from salary. Mr. Indra Shekhar, salary. Basic salary is given in the problem 19,500. So 19,500 into 12, 2,34,000 basic. Then DA, dearness allowance, under allowances. Under allowances, DA 8,000 per month into 12, 96,000. Then comes entertainment allowance, EA 25,000 per annum. So EA directly we take 25,000 per annum. Medical allowance 2,000. Remember, again, first time we are coming across this point. Medical allowance is fully taxable, remember. So medical allowance 2,000 per month into 12, 24,000. Next comes bonus. Bonus is 10% of basic pay. The bonus is taxable under the head salary. Remember, already in the previous problem also we have done. So bonus 10% of 2,34,000, 23,400. Next comes, during the year he received cash gift of 65,000 and laptop worth rupees 35,000. This is the new point. First time we are coming across. Gift given by the employer will be taken under perquisite. First point. It is taxable under perquisite. It is the benefit given by the employer. Now, gift given in cash 65,000. So one provision, note it down immediately. Gift given by the employer in cash is fully taxable, always. So here in our problem, cash gift given by the employer 65,000. So complete 65,000 taxable. Whereas gift given in kind is exempted up to 5,000 and over 5,000 it is taxable. In our problem, 65,000 rupees cash gift is given, that is fully taxable, 65. Laptop is also given as gift. This is gift in kind. Laptop is the gift given in kind. The value of the laptop is 35,000. But Income Tax Act says gift given in kind up to 5,000 not taxable, excess taxable. So 35,000 minus 5,000, 30,000. So 65,000 cash gift fully taxable. Laptop gift out of 35,000 deduct 5,000, 30,000 is taxable. So here you can see cash gift received from the employer, 65,000 rupees is the cash gift and 30,000. Actually in the problem 35,000 is given. Out of 35, 5,000 is not taxable. 30,000 is taxable. So 95,000 is taxable. Next comes rent-free accommodation. Rent-free accommodation is a perquisite which is taxable in the hands of all employees. So here rent-free accommodation in bracket working note. In working note we have to find out the value. For rent-free accommodation we have to see, first of all, government employee or non-government employee. Here it is a non-government. Whether the accommodation is owned or hired. So see here, rent-free accommodation is provided in Pune city. Population 37.56 lakh, for which rent paid by the employer 10,000 per month and the cost of furniture provided 3 lakh. The point is clear. The accommodation is hired by the employer. In that case, the value of the perquisite is least of the following two amounts. The rent paid by the employer or 15% of salary. Whichever is least, that is the value of the unfurnished house. Remember, already in the previous problems also we have done this rent-free accommodation. That's why I'm stressing you all my students to go to the perquisites, videos. Watch carefully, thoroughly the videos on perquisites. Be clear about how to calculate the value of perquisite, particularly rent-free accommodation. So here, the accommodation is hired by the employer. So value of the perquisite is list of the following two. Actual rent paid by the employer 10,000 per month into 12, 1,20,000, 15% of salary. Salary means basic plus bonus plus fees plus commission plus all taxable allowances except DA. DA will be included if it enters for retirement benefit, plus any monetary payment made by the employer or profession tax or income tax paid or reimbursed by the employer. This is the definition of salary for RFA. Right? So first of all, we'll calculate in working note, rent-free accommodation. Salary, basic we have taken 2,34,000. Bonus we have taken 23,400. We should not take employer's contribution because it is not there in the definition. In the definition, employer's contribution is not there. Don't take. Then DA. DA is not entering for retirement benefit. It is not given in the problem. Only DA is given. Don't take DA. If it enters for retirement benefit, then we would have taken. It is not entering for retirement benefit, don't take DA. EA is fully taxable. Entertainment allowance is fully taxable. So we have taken EA 25,000. Medical allowance is fully taxable 24,000. So we have taken 24,000. The total of the salary is 3,06,400. This is the salary for RFA purpose, rent-free accommodation purpose. Now the accommodation is not owned by the employer. So the value of the perquisite is least of the following two amounts. Actual rent paid by the employer. In the problem it is given 10,000 rupees per month. So 10,000 into 12, 1,20,000. Or 15% of salary. So salary already you have calculated 3,06,400 into 15%, 45,960. So whichever is least, 1,20,000 or 45,960. 45,960 is least. The value of rent-free unfurnished accommodation is 45,960. Add 10% of cost of furniture. The cost of furniture is given in the problem 3 lakh. So 10% of 3 lakh is 30,000. Now you add up 75,960 is the value of rent-free furnished accommodation. Now take that 45,000 here. 75,960. This is the value of rent-free unfurnished accommodation we have calculated in working note. Next, after that, a small car is provided for personal and official purpose and all expenses, including driver's salary, is paid by the company. First of all, motor car is a taxable perquisite for specified employees only. Here, the employee is a specified employee because his salary income is more than 50,000. Basic salary itself is 2,34,000. So it is more than 50,000. So specified employee motor car is a taxable perquisite. Now motor car is provided for official and personal use. And all expenses are paid by the employer. It's a small car. If it's a big car, 2,400 per month. If it is a small car, 1,800 per month. All these provisions I have explained in the perquisites video earlier. Already I have uploaded. So if you have watched those perquisites videos, definitely you don't find any difficulty. Otherwise every point will be a new one. So when a small car is provided by the employer to the employee for both official and personal use, and all expenses are paid by the employer. For a big car 2,400, small car 1,800. In our problem it is a small car. 1800 per month is the value of the perquisite of car. But driver is also provided. So already provision is there in Income Tax Act. If driver is also provided, rupees 900 per month will be added to the value of the car. To the value of the car. The value of the car 1800 per month into 12. Whatever amount you get. To that you add driver's salary 900 rupees per month into 12. Then you get the value of motor car here. Motor car provided. A small car is provided by the employer for personal and official purpose. All expenses are paid by the company. So the value of the car is 1800 per month. You have to remember this. This amount 1800 is given by the Income Tax Act. So 1800 per month into 12, 21,600. Driver's salary 900 per month. Because it is given in the problem, driver is also provided. So 900 rupees fixed given by Income Tax Act. It is not given in the problem. 900 per month into 12, 10,800. Total 32,400 is the value of perquisite of motor car. Here. Car provided for official personal use, 32,400. In working note we have calculated. Right. Then after motor car, the next is mobile phone bill paid by the employer. In the previous problem also we came across this point. If mobile phone bill or telephone bill of the residence paid by the employer is a tax-free perquisite, it will not come here. Only in working notes you should write down mobile phone bill of the employee paid by the employer is a tax-free perquisite. Next one is his contribution to recognized provident fund is 12% of salary and the employer's contribution is 14% of salary. In RPF, recognized provident fund, 12% is contributed by employee, and that 12% contributed by employee will qualify for deduction under section 80C, qualified savings. Whereas employer's contribution to RPF is exempted up to 12%. Excess will be taxed. In our problem, employer contributes 14% of salary. Up to 12% exempted. How much is excess? 2%. That 2% is taxed. So employer's contribution to RPF in excess of 12%. So 2% of 2,34,000, 4,680 is taxable. Next one is he paid profession tax of rupees 2,400. Last item. Profession tax 2,400 he has paid. That will be allowed as deduction under section 16.3. Last item. Profession tax under section 16.3, 2,400. All the points I have explained. Now finally from beginning, basic salary 2,34,000, bonus 23,400, employer's contribution to RPF in excess of 12%. 4680. Dearness allowance fully taxable, EA fully taxable, medical allowance fully taxable. Perquisites. I told you, gifts given by the employer to employee is a taxable perquisite. Cash gift fully taxable. Gift given in kind up to 5,000 not taxable, excess will be taxable. Then rent-free accommodation, just now I have explained in detail. Car provided, just now I have explained. Profit in lieu of salary is nil. Gross income from salary is 6,10,440. This is the gross income from salary. Now deductions under section 16. First, standard deduction. List of the following two amounts. The gross income from salary or 50,000, whichever is less. Gross income from salary is 6,10,440 or 50,000, whichever is less. 50,000 is less. EA reduction. Actually, EA is received. But EA reduction is not allowed because the SSC is a non-government employee. Only for government employee EA reduction is allowed. Non-government employee, no EA reduction. Profession tax paid 2,400. So total 52,400 deduct. Income from salary 5,58,040. That's it. This is the complete solution. Now in working note, first working note I have explained about the rent-free accommodation, value of rent-free. Second working note, motor car, just now I told you. It's a small car provided by employer for both official personal use. All expenses are paid by the employer. So value of the perquisite 1,800 per month. Driver is also provided. Chauffeur is also provided. 900 per month added. Then SSC is a non-government employee. So EA reduction under section 16.2 is not allowed. In examination, you must write all these working notes compulsorily. You can write only if you remember the provisions, and you can remember the provisions only by practicing. Over. Next, gift from employer. Already I have discussed in detail regarding that. Then mobile phone bill paid by the employer is a tax-free perquisite. Employee's contribution to RPF 12% of salary is a qualified saving for deduction under section ADC. This is just an information. In RPF, employee will contribute, employer will also contribute. Whatever employee contributes, that will be a qualified saving under section ATC. Employer's contribution is an income up to 12% not taxable, over 12% taxable. So we have taken here 2%. Then last one, standard deduction is list of the following two amounts. Gross income from salary, that is 6,10,440, or fixed amount 50,000, whichever is less. That's all. So this is the end of problem number 7.